Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. However fast the progress moves, however state-of-the-art construction and finishing materials appear, there will always be the place for the natural raw materials in our interiors. In modern designs of the kitchens, the eco-materials, safe for the people and environment, become increasingly popular because nothing may replace the natural warmth of genuine wood. Not only in the country houses but also within the city apartments, the designers around the world apply the wood for the furniture production, fitting of a different surface, production of the decorative elements and accessories. Let us consider more in detail how to introduce the wood into the modern design of the kitchen of different stylistics directions. Surely, the first style which will reclaim any house owner who is going to repair the kitchen with the use of wood is the country style. Different country style directions are this or that way connected with the application of natural materials in the interior of premises, and of course, the wood has the list of eco-friendly materials. Even the ultra-modern interior of the kitchen may contain the elements of the wooden fitting of furniture and not lose its progressiveness performance. In many kitchens of the cottage houses, you may come across the finishing of not only the floors with the wooden panels, but also the walls and ceiling. With the help of wooden beams, the ceiling are constructed, columns are built, window and door features are arranged. Besides, the last tendencies of the eco-style tend to leave the wood unpainted in the natural color palette. Thus, the interior becomes closer to nature, to the warmth of the environment. Wooden ceiling with the beams, flooring made of the wood, this will not be a surprise to anyone, but in combination with the cupboards and island made of the same material, the kitchen looks totally country-like, bringing the village life features into each interior element. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. Small kitchen design ideas. Whether size or shape you've got to deal with, the trick is to produce the illusion of more space with the creative organizing and clever storage solutions. Uninterrupted worktops will assist to develop the impression of more space while providing a particular area for cooking and baking. If your kitchen can accommodate a small dining space, position the table or island parallel to the worktop so it can double up as second food preparation space when needed. Ensure chairs are small enough to tuck under the table out of your method when cooking, but simple to pull out at dinner time. A lot of cabinets in a small kitchen can make the space feel claustrophobic. If your space is narrow, try to keep cabinets in one or two cool lines to draw the eye forward, emphasizing the length of the room. For raised storage, leaving a space between the cupboards and the ceiling will also offer the illusion of a larger space. Large drawers are also an effective alternative to cabinet doors. Easy to gain access to, these extra large pull-out drawers can even be large and deep for storing utensils and huge items far from counter surfaces. careful placement of your kitchen appliances will improve the flow of a little kitchen. The principle of the kitchen work triangle deserves considering. The sink, the oven, and the refrigerator must be located in a working range from each other, no greater than 9 feet, and in an ideal world, no less than 4 feet. Store away appliances that you don't use every day, like mixers, slow cookers, and toasters in a kitchen or cupboard to maximize much more worktop space. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments, and subscribe to our channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. Modern kitchens. A design element often used in modern kitchens is to place naphthes on long white horizontal lines and flat surfaces. There is some logic to this, as flat surfaces are easy to clean and cook on and add to the functionality of a modern kitchen design. Also, horizontal lines add length to a room, and using horizontal lines from the design of the floorboards, layout of tiles, and even the pattern of drawers helps emphasize the overall sleekness of the modern kitchen design. Another design element of a modern kitchen is the use of the flat panel door style or slab door style on their cabinets. This makes storage space discreet and simple. Cabinets and other storage spaces are often built in or placed close to the walls and counters. Anything protruding will break up the room's clean lines, and it's not part of the modern kitchen style. Modern kitchen cabinets favor farmless or full overlay design styles. Here, the door of the cabinet overlaps the cabinet. Thus, when the cabinet doors are closed, the cabinet frame is covered for a very sleek appearance. Design elements of storage in a modern kitchen sees the virtual elimination of cupboards or other storage spaces high up on the walls. A modern kitchen favors storage spaces that are closer to the floor. This helps create an open concept kitchen designed to make the space seem bigger. Hardware used for modern kitchen cabinets are sleek and simple. Stainless steel, aluminum, and other modern metals are often used in modern kitchen fixtures and appliances. As part of the overall simple aesthetic of a modern kitchen, appliances are often kept in appliance nooks where they can be easily accessed but also do not clutter up the countertops. Many simple modern kitchen designs make use of laminated finishes to achieve the low maintenance, high gloss look typical of modern style kitchens. You will see how the kitchen design combines white and dark gray cabinet laminate finishes with simple stainless steel hardware and combined with modern appliances as well. To keep consistent with the seamless appeal of the cabinets, white solid surface was the countertop material of choice. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments, and subscribe to our channel.